pag kami napunta rito. At ayan yung malaking cottage. Ayan. Ayan yung maliit na bahay kubo namin. Ayan. Just arriving from grocery shopping. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Please comment and share. Bye for now.